Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the repository and creating a safeguard. Clone the fork if you haven't, then create a local backup branch so you can recover changes later. Once done, add the upstream remote that points to the original repository and fetch its branches. Make sure to identify the branch you want to keep or remove. This lays the groundwork so you can safely delete the fork relationship without losing commits you care about. Next, you synchronize and transfer any work that must survive the unfork. Fetch upstream and merge or rebase your changes onto the upstream branch. This preserves history and avoids conflicts. If you own the upstream, push your branch there. Otherwise, push to a new repository you control. Once your commits exist elsewhere, verify them visually on Github. Make sure code, tags, and release assets are migrated. This prevents accidental data loss when severing the fork link. Finally, remove the fork link by deleting the forked repository or requesting an organization transfer if necessary. Before you click delete, double-check that your backup branch and migrated content exist in the destination repo and that CI and webhooks are updated. After deletion, verify issues, wiki pages, and release artifacts were preserved or migrated. If something goes wrong, immediately restore from your local backup branch or recreate the repository.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.